Good morning dear students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain 24th dated assignment. Topic is why do we fall ill? Now the question number 1 is the dash of a disease will be different depending on number of factors. So what is the answer? Manifestation. Manifestation means how does a disease set itself in a particular person. That depends on a number of factors like the person's immunity, how resistant the person is to a particular disease, like many. Now the question number 2, what are acute diseases? Answer is some disease lasts for a very short period of time and those are termed as acute diseases. Like headache, common cold, etc. These last for a very short period of time. So they are acute diseases. Question number 3. Ramu is suffering from a common cold. What type of disease is it? Answer. It is an acute disease because it is a very short-term disease and it does not have any long-term effect. So common cold and similar such diseases which does not have any long-term effect on the general body of a person, they are termed as acute diseases. Now, question number 4 is what are chronic diseases? So, answer is some ailments can last for a long time, even as much as lifetime are called chronic diseases. Okay, so those diseases which have a long term effect and which last sometimes even for a lifelong, they are termed as chronic diseases. Now question number 5, give an example of a chronic disease. Okay, so an example of the infection causing elephantiasis, that means the leg of the person suffering from elephantiasis becomes elephant-like, it becomes that much swollen. So this is a very common example which is very common in some parts of the India. Why is it chronic? Because it does not cure easily, doesn't get cured easily. Now next question, question number 6. What is the difference between acute and chronic diseases? Answer. An acute disease which overs very soon, that means it just get cured very soon and does not have time to cause major effect on general health. For example, headache, common cold, that does not have any major effect. But just now we come to know that elephantiasis, the leg of the person becomes swollen like an elephant. That is actually having a very bad effect on the health of the person and it does not get over very soon. More examples are diabetes, blood pressure. These all are example of chronic diseases. Okay. Now the next question is question number 7. What are the effects on a person which undergoes if he suffers from chronic disease? Suppose a person is suffering from any of the chronic disease. What are the effects? So, if we get infected with a chronic disease, just for an example, tuberculosis, that means TB of lungs, then being ill over the years does make us lose weight and feel tired all the time, because TB is a chronic disease, lasts for almost a year or 2 in some person, and then it has actually a very bad effect because the person loses the weight and feel tired all the time. So chronic disease always have a bad effect on the general health also. Question number 8. Dash diseases have very drastic long-term effect on people's health as compared to acute diseases. So the obvious answer is chronic diseases have a very drastic long-term effect because they doesn't get cured easily. So they have a very long-term effect on the general health of a person. So students, I hope you have understood today's assignments very well. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.